Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out unnecessary devices from your Indeed account step by step. If you've ever logged into your account on multiple phones or devices and want to keep your account secure, this feature is very useful. I'll guide you through the exact steps so you can remove any unwanted or unknown devices easily. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to your App Store or Play Store and search for the Indeed app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version to avoid any issues. Once updated, open the app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the menu icon, 3 lines, at the top right corner of the screen. Now go to Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Device Management. Here, you will be able to see all the devices currently logged into your account. If you have multiple devices listed, simply select the device you want to remove and log it out from here. Right now, I only have one device, so I can't remove it. But if you have more, you can easily manage them from this section. And that's it. Your account will be more secure once you remove unnecessary devices. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.